Snow is falling outside my window, city lights shining bright, but this room feels cold and empty. Another silent Christmas night. I've counted all the years I've waited, working hard so they'd be fine, but no wrapped gift can replace the hug I dream of every night. I whisper prayers into the sky, they'll keep them safe till I can fly. 'Cause I'm alone on Christmas, far across the sea, holding every memory they ever gave to me. I smile through the distance, though tears may start to fall. Someday I'll be home again, I'll answer every call. But tonight I'm still believing, though my heart is softly grieving. I'm alone on Christmas, but I'm not alone at all, 'cause love still leads me home. Pictures taped beside my bedside, laughing faces that I miss, late night calls and whispered I love you are my greatest Christmas gifts. Every sacrifice, every sunrise, every lonely silent prayer, I do it all so they can feel a life that won't warm and fair. And though the miles are wide and long, their voices keep me strong. 'Cause I'm alone on Christmas, far across the sea, holding every memory they ever gave to me. I smile through the distance, though tears may start to fall. Someday I'll be home again, I'll answer every call. But tonight I'm still believing, though my heart is softly grieving. I'm alone on Christmas, but I'm not alone at all, 'cause love still leads me home. One day the airport doors will open wide, I'll run into their arms and finally cry. No more goodbyes, just Christmas lights shining in their eyes. 'Cause I was alone on Christmas, but hope kept me alive. Every prayer and every dream helped my heart survive. Soon I'll hold my family, feel their voices near. Someday Christmas won't be lonely, someday I'll be there. Till that day I keep on dreaming, even when my tears are streaming. I'm alone on Christmas, but I'm not alone at all, 'cause love still leads me home.